These snakes can fly up to 100 meters through forests and jungles. They can alter the shape of their bodies, creating aerodynamic forces that enable them to glide through the air. There are 5 recognized species of flying snakes found in various regions. While flying snakes possess mild venom, it is primarily dangerous to their small prey, and they are considered non-venomous to humans. They are carnivores, primarily preying on small vertebrates such as lizards, frogs, and small birds. Flying snakes are known to hunt both in trees and on the ground. Their unique gliding ability allows them to navigate efficiently between trees and escape from predators.